Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to Crypto Jet, where today we're going to be talking about Nano. I like this coin very much. We've talked about it before, covered the fundamentals. Let me just remind you real quick. It provides instant transactions and feeless transactions as well. So a lot of utility in a so-called sustainable environment, meaning there's no mining involved and meaning potentially our Lord Elon Musk will one day take it upon himself to pump this coin into oblivion. So let's just see what the price has been doing, because it has been pumping into oblivion anyways, even though it has a very, very small market cap of around $1 billion at the moment. So back in the day, in 2020, the far days of 2020, we see the price sitting at about $1, then a huge jump to the $4-5 range, formed the level of resistance, dropped back down, consolidated for a while. Another big indicator of a further bullish movement was this bullish candle right here, after which we saw another consolidation and then obviously a breakout from this $5 zone of support, of resistance. Now this level becomes a zone of support once the price starts hitting on it from above, which it did, drop back down once briefly, hitting the moving average, the 50-period moving average line, which also acted as a line of support like it did in the past, like right here. So it really pushed the price up, happened here as well. And potentially it's going to happen here as well, because as you can see, the price is sitting on the 50-period moving average line once again. So even though it's a bit below it, this is a very, very big possibility. After that, there was just huge spike on the 17th of April. I caught this spike personally. It was beautiful seeing a coin like this just double in a day. And then a huge drop down, of course, because whatever goes up must come down at least in some manner, because people are taking profits and basically speculating that the price is going to fall down after increasing by such a large margin. After that, we saw an even bigger spike up, but it didn't really last, not even a day. And we formed somewhat of a, I can't call this an uptrend. I can't call this a downtrend. I'm trying to do something with these lines, but it's not really working. So we're going to see that this hit into the $5 level of support once again, bouncing up both times in a pretty strong bullish fashion. And currently the price is sitting at the $7 mark. Now, what can we expect for Nano in the future? We can see that the moving averages looking at the 4-hour time frame are actually above the coin, signifying that there is a possibility that it actually hits it and further retraces down for one last touch of that area before the whole market becomes better and starts recuperating. There's also a chance, now we're looking at the hourly time frame, and on the hourly time frame we can see that this has formed a zone of support at the $6 mark. It was there from before as well, broken out of once, but in the recent times the main level of support has actually moved from the $5 one into the $6 one. So we may see actually a shortened movement downwards into this zone, because as you can see, there's this the moving average lines are simply above, so you can see a hit into them and then a hit into this stronger support at the $6 level before consolidating once again and then moving bullish. That would be it for Nano pretty much. I'm definitely bullish on this coin in the long term because it provides something that a lot of others don't, and very simply I believe it's undervalued comparing its market cap to, for example, Dogecoin, which is still sitting at like a $40 billion market cap. Like, if Dogecoin can make it to 40 billion, what can Nano do? You know what I mean? That's what I think about all of these coins that really haven't gotten their fame and their time to shine as of yet. So that would be it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.